Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a pool on Cash App. First, open Cash App on your device. Make sure you are signed into your account. Next, access the Payment tab. On the main screen, tap the $sign. This tab shows your balance and payment options. Now enter the goal amount. This is the total money you want to collect. For example, if you are raising money for a gift or a trip, type the full amount you need. After entering the amount, tap the Pool button. This will start the process of creating your pool. Next, name your pool. Choose a descriptive name that tells your contributors what the pool is for. A clear name helps everyone understand the purpose. Once your pool is named, invite contributors. You can add people by entering their cash tag if they are on Cash App. You can also share a link so that people can join and contribute even if they do not have Cash App using Apple Pay or Google Pay. After your pool is live, you can track contributions. You will see who has paid and how much has been collected. Thanks for watching.